80 ways to take your resume to the next level. No one can deny the fact that the first step of the recruitment process is one's presentation of self in the form of resume. It is because of the first impression of your resume makes it obvious whether the recruiter finds you capable of being called for further tests and interviews. This very nature of the process demands smart effort to be given an opportunity to see the interviewer in order to prove one's capabilities. Otherwise, you may have to face the miserable state of rejection before you are tested. It is, in fact, due to this approach of the market that most of the skillful and capable candidates fail to make it up to the interviews, while those with ordinary skills get the jobs quite smartly. That's what makes the smart worker step ahead when compared with skills and hard work. That is what we will be dealing with throughout this video. The art of making an opportunity.